Welcome back, and in this video I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to complete major achievements on this CV exchange. First of all, if you don't know, here are the reason why you need to unlock those achievements. First, the joy of collecting. Secondly, the reason discussing your friend, extra XP points. Then that fourth one is likely airdrop. And from the information gotten on their Twitter, you can see that this CV exchange mainnet is coming around November, so make sure that you try your possible best to unlock more achievements before they take snapshots. So before I proceed, please make sure you like this video and drop a sub to the channel, and also make sure you join my Telegram community so you can get more updates even before I upload here on YouTube. So with that being said, if you are a new member or you don't know anything about CV exchange, you can just use the link below this video and create a free account. But if you already have an account, then you just have to start from where you stop. And I want you to know that this video was recorded around June, although I updated it around this September. That means few things must have changed and many achievement tags must have been added. But the achievement I'm going to unlock in this video is still going to be in your account. So whether you are a new user or you are an existing user, if you have not opened the achievement that I've been able to unlock here, you can still follow this step-by-step guide to unlock them. Now, for you to get started, all you need to do is to come to the CVEX trading website, which you can also find below this video, and connect your MetaMask or any wallet you are using. And also remember that you will need some Sepola, so make sure that your MetaMask or your wallet has some Sepola it so that you can pay some gas fee. Although their mainnet is going to be launched on Arbitrum, but they are currently using Sepola for their testnet, so make sure that you connect your wallet and come to this trading side. So first thing first is to increase and decrease your balance, you understand? Because for you to trade, you need to increase your balance. Although from the latest updates, you don't need to be confirming any transaction in your wallet again because they updated their UI, which is why I said some things must have changed. So you just have to increase your balance to some certain amount up to like 20 times, you understand? So after you increase your balance to some certain level up to 1 million, which is 10 times because when increasing you are giving $100,000. So you just have to acknowledge your balance, then come to this notification section and click on mark all as read. You understand? Remember that this is also part of the tax. Now you just have to follow my step closely before we go back to the achievement section. Then you see all the achievements that we have unlocked. You can come to the settings, enable light mode and enable dark mode, then click on edit layouts, just play around the UI, you understand? Then close the settings, and you just have to come to this other section, what is new, then read through it. Now one of these tasks is to click an external link. Then you can click that report box section and you click on suggest features. Then it will take us to this section whereby you can see that you can suggest features. So first thing first, you need to sign in with the details that you used in signing in your trading account, you understand? So I just use Gmail. Then after that, you just have to look for any feature you want, then click on upvote. You understand? Just be clicking on it, and with that you have completed that. You can also report some bug, but for now you're just going to stick on that. So we have to go to the achievement tab. Now, when we come to the achievement tab, or when you come to the achievement tab, this is exactly how it's going to look like. You can see that we have unlocked 3 new achievements. So you just have to click on reveal, and you can pause this video and read through the achievement so that you can understand the tax details. And this is exactly how the achievement site look like. So you will need to unlock more achievements to get more XP, and the more achievements and XP you unlock, the more airdrop you get. So coming back to this trading site section or side, you first thing first, you need to start with Ethereum. So when you come to Ethereum, click on market and you enter 10 Ethereum. Now remember that before you start trading, you need to increase your balance to some certain level so that you can cover any transaction you are making. So 10 Ethereum is like $37,000 or something like that, you understand? Then click on trade and wait for it to load up, and that is that. Then after that, you you search for another token. Now when you scroll down, you can see your order that is open. I will go for BNB, then go to the market section and enter an amount. Let me go for 50 BNB or 51 BNB, then click on place buy. Now, the reason why we are doing this, we want to be Ethereum whale and BNB whale, something like that, so that we'll be able to unlock those achievements. Then, once you confirm the transaction, you just have to move on to the next token. But before that, you can see your order is successful. So the next token, I will search for LTC, which is Litecoin. Then, still on the price or the quantity side, I'll click on 60 or 600 or something that will be above 10,000. You understand? So first of all, I will enter 100, then confirm the transaction on my MetaMask. Click sign in, then wait for it to load up. Then after that, you type in Matic, which is Polygon. You understand? Then you enter an amount. I think Matic price is currently at 500, so I will just enter an amount that will be equivalent to $50,000 because this is a major tax. So you have to trade more than $50,000 in that exact token. You understand? So I will just wait for it. Now you can see that I enter 100,000 Matic, which is $55,000. You understand? Then you have to sign in the transaction by clicking sign in on your MetaMask. And with that, your order have been placed. So next up, you just have to scroll down. Then you'll be able to see all your orders that you have made. I mean, all your trades. Although you can cancel them at market price, but for now, let's just leave them. You understand? You can see Matic 100,000. You can see LTC 100. You can see others. You understand? Now, next up, you need to enter, like, you need to trade more tokens. So let me say I will enter link LINK, then click on link for July 30th. You understand? Then you just have to come to this quantity side and enter an amount. Now remember that the net value for this link is like $15.3. So you want to trade something that's above $10,000. You understand, for now? So on this market section, I click on 100 first, 1,500. I think for now you just have to trade it first. You understand? Then click on place buy and confirm the order on your MetaMask. What I would suggest is for you to follow my step gradually. So next up, you have to enter Arbitrum, which is actually a key factor in those achievements. So before now, you can just enter Arbitrum directly after you enter Ethereum. Then click on 1,000 or 10,000 Arbitrum, which is like $6,000. Then confirm the transaction on your MetaMask by clicking sign in. Then wait for it to load up. Now, with that, you are done with Arbitrum. Then next up, you have to enter Solana for July. Then you enter a quantity. No, I remember July. Solana is currently $1,160. So when you enter 10,000 Solana, it will give you 165,000 or 1.6 million rather. So I will just trade $1.6 million worth of Solana because Solana is actually a key player in the achievement. Then confirm transaction and you are done. Next up, you just have to type in the next token, which is AVAX. Then AVAX you trade for August. You understand? Then you enter an amount. I will just enter 10,000 AVAX, which is like $300,000. You understand? Then confirm the transaction by clicking on sign in on your MetaMask. Now you need to know that with the latest update on this CV exchange, this transaction is actually simplified and many bugs have been cleared out. You understand? So if the transaction failed, you just have to try it again. Then if the transaction failed again, you have to refresh the page. then try again. You understand? And also, before you confirm that your transaction fee, make sure that you have balance to cover that transaction you're trying to create. You understand? Now, next up, you have to enter optimism, or you just have to enter those available trading pairs on this trading pairs section. You understand? So, for example, I will enter link again, then because remember the last time I traded little, so now I just have to enter something around $15,000. Understand? Then you can see that 10,000 link is $153,000. So I'm going to trade 10,000 links. You understand? So that is it. So after you have made some more trades, you just have to come back to this achievement tab, and when you come back, you can see your current level and your XPs. Then you just have to scroll down and you can see that we have unlocked many more common achievements like this linked, confirmation commander, avalanche order, solana defender, polkadot power house, and others. You can also reveal it to get more insight about the tasks that you need to complete or that you have completed for you to get this achievement. So you can see this optimist, which is to trade 50,000 optimism token, and arbitron, which is to trade 50,000 arbitron. And as time goes by, we are also going to unlock many more achievements, so you can see what to do. You understand? Now, coming back to the trading section on this CVEX platform, before you complete more achievements, I would suggest you close all this open position that you opened earlier. So you just have to click on market, then you close the position at market price. You just have to do the same for all the open positions so that you can get more balance in your available balance section so that you can complete more tasks. Now, after you close all the open position that you opened before now, you want to increase your balance because this time you want to be a Bitcoin whale. I mean, you want to trade with higher amount of dollars, you understand? So you need to increase your CVX account again to up to like 5 million or 10 million again, you understand, before you continue trading. Now, coming back to the trading section, this time you want to trade up to 1,000 Ethereum, you understand, which is up to like $3.7 million. Now, remember that you need to increase your balance before you can trade this kind amount of Ethereum and Bitcoin. So, after you confirm the transaction, you can see that the transaction went through. Now, next up, you can see the order below, you understand. Now, next up, you need to trade Bitcoin because for you to be a Bitcoin where you can trade up to like 100 Bitcoin, I think so. So I will search for Bitcoin. Then on the quantity side, I will suggest you enter 100 Bitcoin. Although I enter 1,000 Bitcoin, which is not going to work because I don't have up to $77 million. So for you to be a Bitcoin whale, that achievement is to trade 100 Bitcoin. So make sure you increase your balance up to like $10 million, you understand, so that you can be able to trade that 100 Bitcoin, you understand. So you can see that the transaction shows successful, but it did not reflect on the order book, you understand. So for me to confirm, I will need to go back to the achievement section and scroll down. Then you can see that we did not unlock the Bitcoin whale, but we unlock this market maverick, you understand. So that means we have been using the market order for some time now, so you can unlock that also. But the reason why my 1,000 Bitcoin order failed is because I'm not having up to $77 million in my CVEX account. So for you to do it, you need to trade 101 Bitcoin, you understand. So you can just do it and unlock that. Now, before I continue, I will want to check my rank right now, you understand. Now, you can also do the same. So you can see that I've unlocked 23 out of 37 from all common XPs and others. So when you come to this affiliate section, this is where you can find your rank and everything. So you can see that, yeah, this is my referral code, and you can also get your referral code. You can see in my current level, I'm currently in the alpha and all that. So in the leaderboard, you can see your position, although I still don't understand their pattern of leaderboard. But the point I'm concerned about is the global rank. Now, on this current level, you can see place. You can see that I'm currently on alpha, which is now out of 10. You can see it. So make sure you use my referral link to get started on this CVEX exchange so that I can increase more rank. Now, place in global rank, you can see that there are over 277,000, which is the time I'm recording this video, but currently there are over 400,000 people right now. So you can see that I'm currently ranked 10,000, but this is just for now. By the time I open more achievements, I'm going to rank maybe top 5,000 or top 2,000, you understand? And for it to be on the safer side, I would suggest you rank between top 5,000 or top 10,000, you understand? If you are that lazy, you understand? So first thing first, we need to come back to this achievement tab again. Then you can navigate and go through what you need to do, you understand? Now, coming back to the trading section, we want to use sell this time instead of buy. So I will put buy, then I will go through the transaction which I did on the buy tab again. So this I will be selling. So let me say 50,000 optimism. I will just be selling because I want to make as many orders as possible. Now, before I continue, I will need to close this 1,000 Ethereum order because it not really give me any rank, you understand, any achievement rather. So after trading optimism, you need to trade 10 Bitcoin on the sell tab, you understand. So you just have to initiate the transaction, then sign in transaction on your wallet, then you are done. Now the next one is BNB Arbitron dot, but the one I'm more concerned about is ADA, which is Cardano. So I click on Cardano, then I will enter an amount. First of all, I will need to enter, let me enter like 500,000 ADA on the sales section, you understand? Then I confirm the transaction on my MetaMask. So just as you can see, the transaction failed. That means there is something wrong. Either I refresh the page or I will have to reduce the quantity of Cardano I'm trading. So let me just say something like 50,000, which is like $22,000. Then try to see if the transaction failed again. So sign in the transaction on my MetaMask and see if it failed. Now you can see that transaction work. So because it works, you can just go back to the achievement tab to see if you unlock it. Now you can see that we already unlocked the Cardano bear market, which is to trade 50,000 at that. Understand? So that is it. You can see that we have actually unlocked many common achievements, and I'll make a follow-up video unlocking those legendary and epic achievements. So make sure you join my Telegram community so that in case I did not make that video, I will just make a screenshot of my achievements and post it on the Telegram community so that you can see what is there, so that you can take advantage of it, you understand? But for now, we just have to come back to the trading section and start opening more achievements. Now, on this trading section, some of those achievements is to play with the graph on this your trading interface, you understand? So I'm just going to play around the graph, increase the size, reduce the size, go to settings of the graph, try to tweak the graph, you understand? I mean, yeah, go to settings, which is the second icon. Then you can see body. Just play around the graph just to make sure that the system understands that you interact with the graph section, you understand? Highs and low. Then now, for us to confirm, we need to come back to the achievement again. So coming down, you can see that we open a turning up, which is trading view settings, which is the graph I'm talking about, you understand? So you have to come back to the trading section. Then on the trading section, first thing you need to do, you have to play around the interface. Like you can select a token from those icon that is moving, you understand? Then come to the contract details. Then on the contract detail, you can just click on the website, then it will take you to maybe the external website or back to the platform. But the concept is for you to come to the contract detail of a token, you understand? So like for BTC, August 27, 2024, you just have to come to the contract detail, close to the trading view section, which is the charts, you understand? Now, moving forward, what you want to be doing, you want to be creating some limit orders, you understand? So just like as you can see, you select a token pair, which is like Bitcoin, then you enter limit order. So I will just enter 1 Bitcoin to trade as many as I can trade, you understand? In terms of that limit order, I need to place some limit order up to like 50 or 25, but you just have to pre-trading. Although most of these tasks you cannot just complete them in one day, but if you are serious, in one day you can open many achievements, just like I did in this video. You understand? So you want to be opening many limit orders up to 25. So I'll just click on another token pair, then click on buy. You understand? Because it's limit order. You don't there's no specification on the type of order you need to place. You understand? So you just have to enter either buy or sell. Then you create as many limit order as possible. So after you open up to 25 limit order, you can just cancel all the orders. And if you open up to 50 limit orders and you cancel all the 50 limit orders, there's also 2 achievements that you have unlocked, you understand, for opening limit order up to 50 and canceling limit order up to 50. Now, after you cancel all the limit order, then the next thing to do, you can decrease your balance, you understand. But first off, we need to come to the achievement tab to see if we unlock any achievement. And just as you can see, we unlock money waster, which is decrease your balance 10 times, you understand. So you can increase your balance and decrease it again 10 times, and you will get some achievements. So coming back to the trading section, one major aspect of these achievements is the indicator. So when it comes to the indicators, you can add 2 indicators. Now remember that on TradingView, with the free account, you can only enable 2 indicators. That is why you can't add more than 2 indicators, you understand? So that's why I get this error. So what you want to be doing, you want to add 50 indicators to this trading chart, you understand? So what you'll be doing, you will add 2 indicators, then delete everything, then add another 2 indicators till the 50 complete, you understand? So you can see that I'm going to scroll down and select a token pair, then click on indicators and add 2 indicator, you understand? Then after that, I delete all indicators, then select another trading pair, click on indicators, add 2 indicators. Although you can add the indicators that you have used before, but I would suggest, since there are many indicators, just choose random indicators. Don't use the one that you have used before, you understand? But the goal there is to get up to like 50 indicators on this trading chart, you understand? So exactly what I'm doing, you can just follow the same process. Select another token, go to indicators, then select 2 indicators once and for all. Then you can see that when I try to add more indicators, it will show error because of TradingView free trial stuff. So you can just do that till there's 50 indicators. I mean, you can do that 25 times, which technically indicates that you have added 50 indicators in this chart. Now, after you have done that, you can come back to this achievement tab and scroll down. Now you can see that on this rare achievement, now first of all, go back and confirm. On this rare achievement, you unlocked indicator installer, which is 20 indicators, not 50. Do it again. You can see reset chart, view at least once, charted course, you understand? Add custom indicator to the charts, you understand? So you can see that within short period of time, by playing with the indicators, you have actually unlocked new 5 rare achievements. Now we just have to come back to the trading section, and from here, one of the tags is line graph, you understand? So you just have to click on those graph sections, you understand? So you can see the type of graphs that we have there. You just have to click those buttons, go to settings, enable line graph, just play around the graph, you understand? But focus more on those hints in the achievement section so that you'll be able to get a better understanding of what you are doing. And when you come back to this achievement section and scroll down to this epic achievement, you can see that we unlock good student, which is open every link on every tool tip, you understand? So you can just pause the video, then read the achievement and get a better understanding of what to do. Now back to the trading section. You want to come to this line section, which is drawing lines in the chart, understand, then deleting it. Go back, then go to the next line, draw it, delete it, then go back again, go to the next one, and make sure that you interact with that line section I mean, you interact with up to 50 lines on the graph, you understand? So that is basically one of the achievements. By just going forward from one line to the other, just draw it on on the chart or on the graph, then go back, move to the next line, and with that you'll be able to unlock the line graph, which is one of the achievements. Now I'll be making a follow-up video, and I don't want this video to be too long. I mean, I don't want it to be more than 25 minutes. So when I come back to my affiliate, you can see that I'm currently ranked 9,000 out of 270,000. Although at the current state, I'm currently at top 5,000, you understand? But at the moment of doing this screen record, I'm currently ranked 9,000. So that is basically how to unlock some of these achievements. I'm going to make a follow-up video, I promise you that. So make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more free informative content like this. And as you might already know, I'm DMO. So thank you for watching and see you on my next video.